In this video, we will explain the normalization options available to control for the natural variation between samples due to instrumentation and other factors. If the input data is RNA-seq data, normalization is done simultaneously during statistical modeling, and this step will be skipped. If the input data is NMR, both reference normalization and one of the procedures available here may be utilized. Labeled proteomics data should be normalized with one of the procedures here, after normalization to the reference pool. To normalize your data, select a subset function type. Input necessary parameters, which will autofill with defaults. Select your normalization function, and click the Run Diagnostics for Normalization selection. Here, a p-value from the Kruskal-Wallis test will inform you if your selections have led to normalization factors that vary by experimental group, which can lead to biased downstream statistical results. A p-value less than 0.05 will trigger red text to warn you of such an event and suggest that you take another normalization approach. If the data are peptide data, you may run the statistical procedure for the analysis of peptide abundance normalization strategies, or SPANS, which will test a variety of normalization approaches and suggest the optimum method or methods which introduce the least amount of bias into your data. The SPANS algorithm may take a minute or two to run. Once it is finished, use the results to apply an optimum normalization approach. When there are ties or near ties in SPAN scores, we recommend choosing the method which uses the largest number of biomolecules to derive normalization factors.